we talk about charges, we have to talk about atoms. We know that every single object in the world is made out of atoms. And atoms are so small that this teeny tiny dot from my pen is 4 billion atoms. What's even smaller than atoms are protons and electrons. And that's what atoms are made out of. When atoms have more protons than they do electrons, they have a positive charge because protons are positive. But when an atom has more electrons than protons, it has a negative charge because electrons are negative. And if an atom has equal parts, proton and electron, it's neutral and doesn't have any charge because they cancel each other out. All atoms want to be like this pair of protons and electrons. They want to have a buddy. So they work really hard to find their buddy. That means that protons and electrons are friends, but protons and protons are not friends. So let's see what happens. My hair is negatively charged. It has more electrons than protons. This balloon is positively charged. It has more protons than electrons. So if I stick this balloon on my hair, it's going to stick to it because the negative electrons are jumping to their buddies on the balloon, the positive protons. But if I take another balloon that's full of positive protons and stick it next to the other balloon that's full of positive protons, they lean away from each other. Even when I try to get them closer together, they still lean away from each other. That's because same charges repel, and same charges repel, but different charges attract.